Hey, this is John at Modern Pods. We're currently down here in Byron Bay right now at a holiday park, and we're installing our 12 meter by 4.2 meter, 1 bedroom king pod that comes with full kitchen, bath, island, bench tops, everything. We got here just an hour ago and we're about to do the full install. That's how quick it takes. The pod comes completely done. It's installed in 1 day and it's ready to go for the holiday park to literally get their guests in. Yeah, so park safety is our #1 concern. As you can see, we block off all roads. We have the full crane team here installing the pod, and then on top of that, we have our connection team. So once the pod's connected, as I said earlier, the pod will be ready to go in around a day. We'll do all the plumbing and electrical connections, and the park will be ready for its guests.